Guys, this is crazy. There's just a flood outside. See? It's actually really water. But I don't know who did this. And I'm not going to get wet. I don't want to. Because right now I'm wearing shirt right now. I'm just standing here. This is unbelievable. I believe that it's going all the way over here. But I'm not going to turn it off and get wet. Because the reason why I don't want to turn it off is because I'm going to get wet. Gosh, that's everything. I'm getting wet right now. Look how much stuff it's getting. Even the rocks. This is unbelievable. But over here, it looks like a tsunami for ants. This is crazy. Look how this is moving. And no joke, this is actually from Florida. The reason why this puddle is right here because it went all the way over here. Someone turned it on. Whoever did that, they're crazy. They're gonna get in trouble by this neighbor. Oh my, it's almost up there. See that tip right there, the wall? Okay, that was just embarrassing. Okay, bye.